This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I'm very excited to have Road Loft on the channel for the very first time. Today, Sam is going to give us a tour of their pickup truck camping kit, and this thing is incredible. You got to see all the things this could do. So join us for the tour.
Hello Patrick, thanks for having me today. I'm really excited to show you the Road Loft kit for the pickup truck. As you know, we have been in the business for 10 years. No, not 10 years, but we've been traveling for 10 years, but in the business for 8 years now. We start off with the minivan conversion kit. We did the SUV, and now we have more than 2,500 people on the road with our kit. The business model is that we build kit and we transform your everyday car to make van life simple. We build everything with poplar wood, so it's super lightweight, it's durable, and it's strong. We apply eco-friendly coating on top of that, so we make sure it's more durable. And everything is made out with CNC cut machine, and the coating is applied with robots, so everything is perfect. So you order the kit from our website, it comes to your house flat pack, and it's really easy to assemble. I'll show you how it works. So I'll take this drawer out like this. So the whole assembly is without nail or glue or screws. So basically it's just clips like this, so you can put it in and put it out like that. So you see the assembly here, it comes together like that, and you take the clip and you just put it in like this. Super simple, everybody can do it, and it comes with a assembly manual, so it's simple to do by yourself. Once it's done, once you've done all your boxes, your drawers are ready to go like this. So as you see here, it's just to put food on the side that you want to have access from the outside. In this drawer, we have a stove. This one is pretty thin. It comes as an accessory if you want to, as extra. Inside we have the bowls, plates, and everything. The cutlery and all the separators like this, they comes out and comes in if you want to have a bigger stove or even a small barbecue in there. All right, so this one, and in this one, it's the place where we put our pots and pan and cups, coffee maker, and this small table comes out if you don't want to use it. Oh, like this. And gives you access to your stuff underneath. But the main purpose of this small thing is to make your dishes outside. So this clips in like that, pops out, and you take the water jar and you put it on top here. So you can do your dishes right here. Another pretty cool feature about this box, I'll show you right after I install the small table leg that goes outside. So this comes in like that. This one first. This, if you want to see, up. There's this to lock everything in. And it has a small leg here, so when you want to adjust it and make sure it's flat and stable on the ground, you can sit everywhere like this. So the cool feature about this box is you can take it out, and let's say you want to do your dishes at a picnic table. You bring it out, you take the same, I'll show you on this side like this, the same washing basins. Fits right here on the side, and again you can do your dishes like this at your picnic table. Once you're done, you either open this, put your pans and pots on top there, or you can take the drawer out and put it there. And it's super easy to put back in. It just slides in, and that's it. Now I'll go inside and show you the inside lounge. So right here, We have this small screws here. This helps all the kit to stay together, so we make sure everything fits perfectly and it's stable. On this side we have a small swiveling table, so basically it's swiveled like that, so it's always ready to use. And underneath there is plenty of storage for your food or anything you want to put in. On this side it's the same thing, so you have storage underneath, and this is over the wheel well, so there is no storage underneath there but just on top here. And you have also a small table that swivels like that, always ready to use. Right here on each side you have plenty of storage like this. It's where we put our clothes in, so you have 40 liter of storage on each side, so 40 liter here, 40 liter there. And when you want to make the bed, it's pretty simple. You slide that out and you take the back seat right here and it folds down like this. Just move those two small parts here and you slide that and your bed is made. You got it. So this is the single solo mode, and if you want to have the other side, you do the same thing. So you bring that out. I'll move this small part here. Up. Place this there, and you got your double bed. Now you're wondering, what's this part missing? Yeah, that's the table that I use outside. So basically it goes here like that, and I'll be using this small part. Oh, sorry. So it's this one that goes right here, up, up, like that. So you have your full bed, 40 inches wide, which is pretty convenient, large enough. And if you want more space here, you can take this box out like that and put the small mattress right here, so you have a larger bed. And we've decided to install blackout curtains that are insulated. So basically it goes like this. And this is just a prototype. It's not on our website yet, but for sure it will be one day because it's really convenient. And then there is this storage that we have added on top of that. Because of the topper is coming with the roof mount, we've used the roof mount and screwed the, yeah, so you can see that. So we've screwed with, I don't know how you call that, but it's like an L-shaped metal bracket. And we screw this compartment on top there, so it's really nice because we can store more stuff on top. So basically it comes in pairs, so you can either put this one over there, so you can have one there and one there. You can have two in the front, you can have four, or two on one side or two on the other side. So it's really as you want, as you wish. So that's it here, and this is like storage. Another place for storage is like you just put stuff down there, so it's more storage. And right here, it's to empty your pocket at night. So we put card games and stuff, and it's where I put my keys when I'm going to bed. And since I'm traveling with a baby for this time, I just want to show you a cool feature. It's not something we're going to sell, but it's something that's quite interesting, I believe, for people to see how we can manage traveling three-person. So my wife, me, and my 1-year-old baby. So basically, it's a small bed that's set up like this. We have a small mattress. It's not right here, it's on top, but we put the mattress there and he can sleep there, and we sleep right here underneath this. So in this camper, we've decided to install a diesel heater. You can install your own if you want a heater inside. For now, it's really nice because I can travel here in New Jersey, and even when it's minus 20, I can sleep in. So I just want to point out that this is a 6-foot bed, and it fits in every full-size pickup truck. We also have a version for the mid-size pickup truck. It's a little bit narrower, but it works fine too, and it's the exact same design. Also, it probably would work for a full-size truck, 8 foot long, but you just have to check with us first. So the mattress comes with a waterproof cover. So you can see like this, waterproof cover. It's all washable and it's all zipped in. So you can unzip it like this. And you can see it's a memory foam on top and a high density foam underneath. So it's really, really comfortable. And we've tested so many types of mattress before arriving with this solution. So what we've done is we designed 7 different mattresses. We ask all our team members to sit and to sleep on them and to quote them to make sure that they decide which was the best combination of memory foam and high density foam for the comfort. So that's what it looks from the inside. So I'm gonna close this and this. And some people are wondering, yeah, but can I lock it from the inside? So we've designed this little device that goes right here like that. Still a prototype, but it's gonna be better once we've designed it more. So like this, so right now everything is closed. So I want to point out that from the inside you can also install the sink here, so you can use your water and do your dishes and have access to your pots and pans, so you can cook from the inside. And also you can have a lounge area. So basically you can sit 3 to 4 person inside, and you can use the table like this, which are adjustable, you know. So you can move it like that, so you can play cards. And you can have a party inside.
Well, Sam, thank you very much for taking the time today to give us a tour of this awesome camper conversion for a pickup truck. I love the quality of the materials. They're nice and smooth. There's no sharp edges here. Nice exact cuts, and everything fits together like a puzzle. And I like is this like a proprietary system of like these clips?
Yeah, yeah.
And that's great. So no tools.
So we've designed everything. So no tools, no glue, no nails, and no screws.
And it's eco-friendly coating, so you don't have to worry about off-gassing.
Exactly.
And it doesn't have to be this brand top, right?
No.
You sell the tops,
yeah,
but someone could just have their own pickup truck.
Exactly, exactly. What we like, though, with this topper is because it's a little bit higher. There's kind of a bump of a 4-inch higher, so we have more space. But it also fits if you have a regular, like, flat top.
So let's go over base price and then what some of the upgrades are that you pointed out already.
Yeah, so the base price, it starts at $5,000. It comes flat pack to your house, so you can install it yourself, assemble it yourself. And after that, and it comes with the mattress for the $5,000. And after that, you can add the cubby right there. This one, if I record correctly, it's like $300 per pair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The curtains are coming out soon. Right now it's not on the market yet. We have the stove, the water jugs, and the pots and pans and all the accessory you might need to go travel. And also for the flooring here, we don't sell it, but we recommend to have something flat. We put a vinyl carpet on right here because it's easy to wash and to clean everything off, and it's pretty convenient too.
And then for the power in here, is this powered off the pickup truck, or you could use an auxiliary battery pack?
We use auxiliary battery pack, yeah. So we run our 12-volt fan right here that I've installed right there. And then whenever we need to charge things up, we charge with the battery pack. Also, another thing that I forgot is that this setup here, you see there is like a notch here. It's because you can install a fridge when you're traveling solo, or even 2, but you don't want the space right here. You can install a 30-liter fridge right inside.
Now I have a question that everybody's going to ask in the comments. Where's the toilet?
Yeah, where's the toilet? The toilet solution is porta potty. If you're traveling alone, so you can put the bed just on one side and have your porta potty on the other side right here, or you can put it inside your truck there.
Oh, that's great. I think he checks off all the boxes. This one has heat, and it's cold out today. I mean, it is brutal out there, and it's like toasty warm, like 68 degrees in there.
It's super hot. Yeah,
I think the insulation all the way around helps, and, and the fact that it's an S-bar heater. This thing will heat up a whole entire camper van, and we're in a 6-foot bed that's, what do we got, like 4 foot tall?
Yeah, exactly. 4 foot tall, 6 foot bed. So it's, last night it was -20 for the whole night, and I slept like, you know, just underwears and that's it.
Well, I'll put links in the description, but if you want to mention how they could find you guys.
Yeah, so you can find us at roadloft.com. Everything's on our website. There is a discovery page. You can see everything we've been doing for the last 8 years. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Well, I'll put the links there and the pricing. And that pricing, just to clarify, was that US dollar or Canadian?
It's US dollars.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. Well, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.